My name is Anthony, this is Crypto for you. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about what's going on the Bitcoin chart. I'm going to give you a little update. So look at this. Bitcoin is doing a bullish pennant. Look at this. See right here? This is the blue lines. They're the bullish pennant that's actually happening right now. So look at this. We actually broke out of this falling wedge, this green falling wedge, and we're now going up. The target is the all-time high, or about somewhere there. We almost hit it, but we started dumping. We had this rising wedge, and I believe we already hit the target, and we actually passed it. Now, that means that this rising wedge is outdated. What does that mean? That means that all the bearishness is actually gone. So look at this. We have a bull flag. I'm going to be explaining to you guys where that bull flag could take us and why this is so important for Bitcoin to actually not break this key support level. I'm going to be explaining to you guys all that and more in this video, so let's get into it. Hi guys, sorry that I actually haven't been posting for a long time. I will try to actually post more often, so I'm going to be posting much more. So let's get into the video. So look at this. We actually had this falling wedge, and of course that is bullish. It's a 70% chance to the upside and only a 30% chance to the downside. We actually broke up. Now we are in this bull flag. This bull flag is actually really bullish. Now look at this. That's how you target where the bull flag will go. You calculate from all the way down here to the top, and then you drag it over here. Now, the target of this bull flag would be 65,700. Now this is really bullish. Why? Well, it's actually going to break our previous high. So our high, which is actually the all-time high, is actually going to be broken if we break this. It's right now at 62,010. You guys can see that this yellow line is it. And also, look at this. I see this resistance line. And this resistance line could be about tapped if we go to the top right here. So this would actually be cool if we tap it. That means this resistance line would be a big resistance line, and if we break this resistance line to the upside, we're going to be really bullish in the long term, because we're going to break this yellow line. But of course there's a bunch of lines like I draw here, and if we break all of them, that's going to be really bullish. But right now, what we're focusing right now is for us to break the all-time high. If we break the all-time high, this is going to be super bullish for Bitcoin. And also guys, look at this. We're not supposed to break this support level, this blue support level. We're not supposed to break that. And also, we're not supposed to go halfway below when we rose. So about right here, 54,700. We're not supposed to break that, because that would invalidate this bull flag, and that would be really bad. So we can go all the way up to here, get rejected, and fall back down to here. And if we confirm support, that's fine. But if we break this or go back up and get rejected and start dumping again, that's going to be much bigger than and much more down than the bull flag is actually allowed to be. So if we break this blue line, we could be falling all the way back down to $50,000, 50,800, about somewhere there. That's going to be really bad. But the chances of this happening is not that much, because as I remember, I think it was like a 65% chance to the upside, or like a 60% chance. But this is a really bullish pattern. It's a bull flag. It's a continuation pattern. It's a flag. So this bull flag could take us all the way up to this level, 65,700. Now look at this. The RSI and stochastic RSI are really low, and this is the 4-hourly time frame. So this is really bullish, guys, right now. This is really bullish, guys, right now. This is really bullish. So look at this. Sorry, guys. Look at this. We have the RSI, which is actually at 39, which is right now a great buy. And it was all the way at 32, which is also a great buy. Almost at a credible buy. And the stochastic RSI, which is really low. I would say this is a really good time to buy. And it was actually a really good time to buy 4 hours ago. And you can see that we're already starting to pump. But if we would have bought all the way down here, I believe that Bitcoin will go all the way up to there. Now let's look at some smaller time frames. Like let's look at the hourly, guys. Hourly, we can see that the RSI, which is really important, is really low, but stochastic RSI is high. So we might be seeing a few dumps while we're actually going up. So of course we're gonna have a few dumps when we're going up, but this is still bullish. It could be like having like a 5-wave move in the short term. And of course, after that is like an ABC correction wave and then another 5-wave move. So this is really bullish for Bitcoin. If we break this target, we're going to go super, super, super high. And since we had this dump, I think, let's just check to see what if my suspicions are true. On the daily time frame, since we had this gigantic dump, the RSI, yes, as I suspected, is really, really low. Of course, this is going to be really bad if we confirm this resistance. I mean, this support, if we're going to break this and it becomes resistance, it's going to be really bad because we could keep dumping. And look at this. We could see that there's this bearish M that's actually forming, which is bad. So if we make this bearish M right here, if we make that bearish M, that means we are going to maybe dump. Probably we will. And the target of this bearish M, you actually calculate it like that from the neckline. I drew an invisible line in my brain. And the target would take us to 40,300, which is going to be really bad. But it would also make our RSI and stochastic RSI really low on the daily time frame, which is going to be really bullish. So if we break this channel, we could be dumping to this to make this support level. If we break this support level of 51,300, make this M, we could dump all the way down to 40,200. This is going to be really bad. But of course, it looks bullish right now on the 4-hour time frame, and I think that we will be going up and everything will be avoided. If this is all going to be avoided, that means this is going to be amazing, guys. Bitcoin can do amazing trading. And by the way, guys, the target actually in, let's just check how much percent is this going to be. Let's just say the breakout point, take the breakout point. If we break out this tomorrow or today, and it's actually going to be 13.5%, which is really bullish, guys. So take this trade if you guys can and trade it. 13.5%. This is going to be really bullish for Bitcoin. And if you can take this trade, it's going to be amazing gains. If you take it to 10x, it can be like 130% gains, guys. It's going to be amazing for Bitcoin. And so, of course, Ethereum follows Bitcoin. Ethereum usually does something bigger than Bitcoin. Maybe not, but usually it does. So Ethereum could be doing a bigger trade, but I don't know. But usually Ethereum follows Bitcoin. So this is really bullish for Bitcoin, guys. So if Bitcoin actually goes above this channel, guys, we will actually pump all the way to 65,600. But of course, if we break this channel, it's going to be really bad. We could dump all the way back down to 50,900. And if we break that level, the next target would be 40,400, which is going to be really bad. But of course, if we confirm support on this level, go up and break this level, about 57,900, somewhere there, or maybe a little bit higher. And if we're going to break that level, we're going to be going up. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click that post notification bell. I'll see you guys next video. Bye!